Hey guys, what's up? It's Savannah. So today's video is going to be a prom get ready with me. So this is my finished look. I just went for like a matte smoky eye and then I just did a low ponytail. So yeah, my dress is from Lovers and Friends LA. It's from Revolve. So yeah, I'll show you guys more clips of it in the end and pictures. So yeah, if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with this Tartelette palette and just use this dark brown shade. I'm going to do like dark brown on my lid and then smoke it out into red, I think, because my dress is red, which you'll see later. I'm going to prime my eyes first with this Tarte Amazonian Clay eye primer. And it's like really old. I don't even know if they make this anymore, but it works. So I'm just going to do that. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the dark brown shade. I'm just going to apply it all over my lid. So now I'm going to take my Sigma blending brush and like blend it all out. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so now that I have the brown base on, I'm going to go in with my Kylie palette and use this like color. It's called Jungle Juice, and I'm gonna put it in my crease and hopefully it'll look good. I'm just kind of winging it here, so. Okay, so now I'm gonna also take this kind of reddish brownish color and also put that in my crease just to blend everything together. I'm going to go back in with the brown color from the Tartelette palette and just darken up my lid again because I kind of lost some color when I blended it out. Okay, so I think my eyes are done for now. So now I'm going to start my face. So I already went in with my D-Stick primer. So now I'm going to go in with this Milk Makeup Blur Stick, and it just like blurs your pores and makes your face look like super good. So I'm just gonna put this over my primer just like as a base again, and it's just like a stick, so you just like basically just like put it all over your face and it makes your skin look really good. Okay, so now I'm just gonna blend that in with my fingers before putting my foundation on. Before I move on to foundation, I'm just going to put a little bit of this MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC25 on just like some blemishes, so it'll be easier to cover up. I'm just going to put a tiny bit on my face. For foundation, I'm going to be mixing my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Barcelona with my Marc Jacobs Beauty Dewdrops, I think. Yeah. And this is in the shade Fantasy. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix this on my hand. A couple pumps of the foundation and then just like one tiny pump of this. I'm just gonna like mix it with my finger before applying it with my beauty blender. Now my foundation's all blended in, so I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium Honey and just conceal my under eyes and wherever else I need to. So now I'm done with all my concealer, so I'm going to move on to baking, and I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. So I'm just going to be putting that under my eyes and under my cheekbones after I contour. Okay, so before I contour under my cheekbones, I'm going to contour a little bit. So I'm going to use my Anastasia contouring kit, and I'm going to use this Sigma brush. It is the Chisel and trim contour brush. So yeah, I'm gonna use that, and I'm just gonna like mix all of these shades on the bottom and contour my face. I'm also going to bronze my face up a little bit. I'm just gonna use the Becca Sunlit Bronzer in Ipanema Sun. I don't know how to say it, but I tried, so. So while I let that sit, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So I'm gonna use my Holy Grail eyebrow product, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in medium brown, and then I'm gonna set them with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Now I'm gonna wipe away all of my bake, which is the best thing ever. It's so satisfying. Wow. Okay, now moving on to blush. I'm gonna use the MAC Shimmer Blush in Trace Gold. It's super old, but it's just like a kind of like neutral beigey color, and it's so pretty. So I'm just gonna put that on my cheeks. Okay, so now going back to my eyes, I'm gonna go back in with my Kylie palette, and I'm gonna take this shade right there. I'm gonna put it under my lower lash line just to even everything out. Okay, so now instead of doing eyeliner, I'm actually gonna just do a super thin line of black eyeshadow with this little Sigma small angled brush. So I'm just gonna take this black shade from the Kylie palette and just put it on my lash line. And then also I'm gonna like kind of smoke it out a little bit. Okay, so to finish the eye look off, I'm gonna take this like sparkly, kind of like reddish sparkly type shade out of the Kylie palette and put it in my inner corners just to like make my eyes pop a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna do mascara. I'm gonna use my Bad Gal Bang, of course. This is the best, and it's really great because I don't have to wear fake eyelashes or anything, because it just makes my eyelashes so like big and volumized. Okay, so I just finished my mascara and I'm almost done. I just need to do my lips and highlight, and I think that's all, honestly. So I'm going to be highlighting with the Anastasia Glow Kit. This is the Sun Dipped one. So I think I'm going to use this shade, I think. Actually, I'm going to use Moonstone, this bottom one right there. And then use my Sigma Tapered Highlighter F30 brush. And I'm going to use like this super tiny, just like random brush to highlight my nose, because I just like how it looks better if I use like a super tiny brush. So I'm going to do that. Also, I'm going to take this Sigma flat top like little brush, and I'm going to take my highlight and put it on my brow bone too a little bit. So now that my mascara is dried, I did get a little bit on my eyelid, so I'm going to very carefully try to get it off with a Q-tip, because normally after it's dried, it's really easy just to like rub it off, so I'm going to try doing that. Okay, and also I forgot bottom mascara, so I'm just going to take this Dior, it says Dior Show Iconic on it. I'm not like really sure what it's called, but it's just this Dior mascara, and the bristles are like super tiny, so I just like to use it for bottom mascara. So I'm going to put a little tiny bit on my bottom lashes. Okay, so I think I'm just about done with my makeup besides my lips. And also I wanted to mention, I did self-tan before this, and the two products I used are from Loving Tan. I used their just original deluxe bronzing mousse in the shade Ultra Dark. I literally love this stuff so much. So after that, I went in with this Loving Tan Bronze Shimmer Luminous Cream, and this just makes your skin like super glowy and luminous, like it says. And it says instant color, satin finish, natural glow. So this is like great for like going out or like a dance or like whatever. It's really makes your skin look super pretty. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that really quick. Okay guys, this is a finished look. I just did my hair off camera really quick. I just like curled it and then put it in a low ponytail. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll insert some pictures here